wrong with this car? My name is Jimmy Prater. I'm a car close. That's what I am. I close. I close car deals. I close them and gross, but it's hard to gross if you're being packed so high. There shouldn't be any packs at all. The average salesperson makes 25%. And dealers, new car franchise stores, are gouging salespeople because the average pack now for a new car store is $3,000. You got all sorts of packs that they put on. Service, advertising, you name it, it's there. So what's that mean, salespeople? You're only making about 8%. So they stole money from you, and they've been stealing money from you, and you continue to work there. You continue to take it. $3,000 packs. Think about this. If you're supposed to make 25% of $3,000, $750. If you're averaging 10 cars a month, that's $7,500 a month that they're stealing from you. See, listen here, salespeople. All dealers, every single Mr. and Mrs. dealer have a house, right? And they got a doorbell. Listen up, dealers. You need to listen, and you need to listen big. This is important for you dealers to listen to. Because the salespeople know you have a house. And the salespeople know you have a doorbell. Now, I'm not calling for violence. I'm just saying, ding dong. You know what happens? They open up the door. Dealer, you've been stealing money from your salesperson. It's time the salesperson fights back. Ding dong. Oh boy. Dealer, the Grim Reaper's at your door. Like I said, I don't call for violence. I don't want violence. Matthew 5:38-42, an eye for an eye. I'm a Christian. That's what I am. An eye for an eye. You stole money from the salespeople. You stole money from the salespeople, and you can sleep at night. Ding dong, not anymore. Not anymore. Salespeople, you need to get together. They got doorbells. They got doorbells. This is a dead-end road now. This business is a dead-end road unless you start closing and grossing. You got to call the car sharker. You got to close and gross. Dealers, the car sharker can help you so you don't get that ding-dong. It's coming, dealer. It's going to be a disaster. It's going to be a disaster, dealer. You need to have the car sharker to help you negotiate pay plans and get rid of the packs. Get rid of the packs. We don't need packs. Salespeople need to make money. Salespeople, I'm an advocate for you. But let's look at something, salespeople. If you're 25 years old and you're in the business, look 10 years from now. Look at somebody else that's 35, that's still in the business, that's on the line slinging iron. Do you want to be that 35-year-old? Because it's either time to fight or get out of the business. And I say you fight. Because see, I'm an advocate for you, salespeople. I'm an advocate for you. I want to make sure you make as much money as possible. Listen, dealer, it's really simple. It's really simple. You got a round face, you got a gobble jaw, and you're going to get your lights punched out. Punched out again and again and again and again. I don't call for violence. I'm just thinking that sometimes salespeople need to fight back. Do you have a closing process? Hell no, you don't have a closing process, dealer, because you don't have the car sharker in there. Do you have a salesperson on your floor selling 30 or 40 cars a month? If you tell me you do, that salesperson's a giveaway artist. That salesperson is a clerk. And that salesperson gets spoon-fed because you don't pay him shit. You don't pay him nothing. There's no way in hell you can gross a customer in a half hour. So if you're selling, or say you're selling 30 or 40 cars a month, you're full of shit. You're a giveaway artist. Gross them. Gouge those customers' eyeballs out of their freaking skull. Dealers, it's coming. You're going to get the ding-dong at the door. It's coming. It's coming. They're coming for you. The Grim Reaper is coming for you. The Grim Reaper. Ding dong. Listen, if you like anything on this video, go ahead, like and share. If you don't, I don't give a shit. You know me, I don't care. Because I'm right here. Ring my doorbell. I don't care. I don't care. I tell it like it is because of one reason. I love salespeople. I respect salespeople. I love the art. I love the art of the close. Call the car sharker. Get the car sharker inside your store and let's start making some money. Let's start getting the morale up. The morale's got to go up. Don't flush it and make it go down. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead. Click that little sharky icon at the corner of the screen, the little shark icon. Hit the subscribe button because every time I upload a new video, it will go ding-a-ling-a-ling. And guess what? You'll be notified. Now, do yourself a favor. My name is Jimmy Prater. Go close something. Yeah!